This is the world's most secure backpack. It's built to protect your valuables when you're carrying them and when you can't have an eye on them. I'm Don from Locktote. It all started 3 years ago after having my stuff stolen off the beach. I tried to find an anti-theft bag to prevent this from ever happening again, but they all sucked. They were ugly, made with poor quality, and really didn't provide any security at all. So, I created my own, and thus the Flak Sack was born. It smashed crowdfunding records. We sold over 50,000 of them, and it even got us an appearance on ABC's Shark Tank. Since then, we've been putting our bags through a lot of extreme tests, and we took the lessons learned, along with feedback from our customers, to create the next breakthrough in anti-theft backpacks. Introducing Locktote Cinch Pack, the world's most secure backpack. It's a practical, straight up and to the point daily carry backpack that's built with all the worry-free security features you've come to expect from Locktote. No electronic gadgets to fail or gimmicky doodads. Well, okay, maybe one. Just a tough-wearing, good-looking, simple, secure bag that works and will continue to work for years. Elegant in its simplicity and unapologetic in its brutal effectiveness. It's a cinch to carry and super secure because the bag's own weight keeps it tightly closed. No top zipper for thieves to exploit. The whole bag is covered with a proprietary slash-resistant fabric to prevent thieves from slashing through. With its built-in steel-reinforced lock strap, it can be clipped for quick security or locked when you need to leave it unattended. Cinch it, lock it, leave it. Enjoy whatever you're doing, and come back for it when you're done. The Cinch Pack has a deep main compartment with 22 liters carrying capacity, a padded laptop sleeve, and a fleece-lined, water-resistant RFID blocking interior pocket. The exterior features one hidden, easy-access zipper pocket, so you can get to important items such as passports or credit cards quickly, and a couple of multi-purpose water bottle pockets. If you're like most people, the stuff you carry in a backpack is too valuable to carry in a typical backpack. Whether you're commuting to work or school, traveling to an unknown place, or just lost in the crowd, the Cinch Pack has your back. These bags are already in our warehouse, and you have my word that they will ship to you in March of 2019. So back our project today and start living more and worrying less.
Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls, and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.
Most smart glasses in the market are too conceptual, expensive, and have an overall bad user experience. We hope to create smart glasses that are simple, convenient, affordable, and suitable for daily life. We created Music Lens smart glasses, the smart glasses that can listen to music, answer calls, and listen to FM radio. Music Lens are easy to carry and look just like normal glasses, so other people are totally unaware that you are listening to music on them. Your ears remain free, but you can still hear high-quality audio through Music Lens while other people can't hear what you're listening to. Music Lens is suitable for activities that are inconvenient with headphones, such as driving, cycling, having meetings, and studying in class. With Music Lens, you can answer your calls with high sound quality in a noisy environment. Music Lens picks up local FM radio signals directly, so you can easily listen to the radio. Music Lens also has touch controls and smart facial recognition, which automatically pauses the audio when you take the glasses off. Music Lens does not transmit sound through your eardrums, so wearing them for a long time won't hurt your ears. In addition to protecting hearing, Music Lens also helps people with ruptured eardrums or hearing loss to hear sounds. Compared to other music glasses, Music Lens is much more advanced and substantially ahead of the curve in terms of sound quality, sound leak reduction, and appearance. We believe that wearable smart devices will not only make people's lives more convenient, but also perfectly combine technology with current fashion trends. We hope that Music Lens will be your first pair of smart glasses, bringing you a more convenient life and a more elegant and cooler lifestyle. Music Lens audio glasses. Wear Music Lens and start your trendy music life.
We've always believed that there's a better way to harvest energy, to empower our customers with a product that's just as relentless as they are. In 2016, we began our journey to harvest the world's wasted energy and use it to make charging electronics obsolete. Thanks to the loyal support of our backers and early supporters, we've begun to realize this vision. Our first product, PowerWatch, introduced our technology to the world. Powered by body heat, PowerWatch delivered smartwatch functionality without ever needing to charge. Today, we are excited to announce our second generation product, PowerWatch 2.
We've spent the last 2 years refining our technology and process so that we can push PowerWatch even further. We've also listened closely to feedback from our customers to understand which features are most important to them. PowerWatch 2 is an all-purpose smartwatch equipped with onboard GPS positioning, intelligent heart rate monitoring, gesture recognition, and a full-color LCD display. The best thing about PowerWatch 2 is that it never needs to be charged. Improved thermoelectric generators and solar cell technology make it the world's most powerful smartwatch. We've also created an all-new smartphone app with exciting new features. It includes activity, calorie and sleep tracking, all new fitness metrics, and compatibility with third-party health and fitness apps like Apple Health Kit and Google Fit.
We are incredibly grateful to our backers for their patience and support as we built and shipped our first product. After weathering shipping delays, we have gained invaluable experience. We have made critical improvements to our processes to ensure that future products will arrive on schedule. We've also added an in-house firmware team so that we have complete development control to provide a superb user experience. At Matrix, we have worked relentlessly to capture and utilize the world's wasted energy. Please back our campaign today to help us make charging electronics a thing of the past.
Verum Pet Fitness is a robot designed to keep your pet healthy. It plays with your dog by automatically zooming around the room, interacting with your dog, and dispensing treats. It's a fun and hands-free way to keep your dog sharp and active all day. And Verum Pet Fitness is smart too. With automatic obstacle avoidance, you don't ever have to worry about it getting stuck. It can dodge anything in its way and drive over large obstacles. And with its tough construction, Verum Pet Fitness can go over carpet with ease and take a hit like a champ. And it's smart enough to know when your pet is no longer close. And cute enough to get your dog playing again. As a pet owner, I know how important it is to keep my dog physically active. Not only does it keep his body strong, but it stimulates his mind, helping reduce the risk of lethargy and depression. As the owner, you decide when your dog needs to be active, how many treats they can have, and how long they need to play. That way, you can always have peace of mind knowing that your pet isn't bored at home. I love having Verum Pet Fitness at home on those long days in the office. Knowing that there's a toy that gets Lincoln up and moving in a fun way and rewards him is so valuable to me. Verum Pet Fitness can be remote controlled through the app, allowing you to interact with your pet directly. You can choose a route for Verum Pet Fitness to follow, or you can create your own patterns for the bot to follow, making sure your dog is always getting a new experience. It's IPX4 water resistant, so it can survive everything your pet throws at it. We've also made sure to use durable, FDA-approved materials in its construction to make sure that it can withstand rough housing while always being safe for your pet. Not to mention easy to keep clean. And Verum Pet Fitness takes any kind of treat you prefer as long as it fits. At the end of the day, we created Verum Pet Fitness to be a fun, safe way for your pet to get exercise. Its patent-pending design and high-tech abilities make it the perfect way to keep up on your pet's fitness, whether you're home or not.
I love Verum Pet Fitness, and Duke loves it too. Whenever I'm not home, he's always chasing that thing around. He loves the harness with the feathers.
With Verum Pet Fitness, I don't always have to worry about making sure I go on a walk with Lou every day. Sometimes it's just so hard to get there when I have an 8-hour day and then I come home and I just don't have any energy. But when I put Verum up, I can set it up on automatic and I can look at the stats and see how far she's walked and how many treats she's got throughout the day. It really takes a lot of pressure off me.
You can monitor your pet's activities on the app and even compare with your friends and keep track of your fitness history as well. We have working prototypes and secured manufacturing avenues. We simply need your help to begin production. So bring a new friend for your dog into your home by backing us today. Verum Pet Fitness is designed to be your pet's best friend for a lifetime.